How to cancel a private server subscription in Roblox. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can cancel private server subscription in Roblox. It is a very simple and easy process, so just follow along. Firstly, open Roblox on your device and make sure you are logged in to your account. After logging in, you will land to the home page. You will need to go to your settings. In order to do that, tap on the three dot icon from the bottom panel. This option will be named as More. Tap on More from the bottom panel and scroll down. From all these sections, select the option called Settings. Inside Settings, you will see different options like this. Since we want to make edits on the subscription, tap on the option called Subscriptions. If you have purchased any subscriptions, then it will be displayed right here. Right now, as you can see, I have not purchased any subscriptions, but if you have, then you will see an option called Cancel Renewal or Cancel Subscription. Now once cancelled, your private server will remain active until the current billing cycle ends. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.